Namaskar viewers. Today I am going to speak upon memory improvement tips. Many of times clients come and tell me that there is some loss of memory. Nowadays I'm lot of stress. I don't remember where I've kept my car keys. I go to the fridge and I don't remember what I have come for. And often they misplace their files and keep on searching for them. So what is memory and what is memory improvement tips? How you can improve your memory? See, when your mind is cluttered, means when your mind is full of thoughts, you're not able to think clearly. So you have a loss of memory. So in the midst of so many things, you keep your key somewhere and then you go to another place, then you forget it and then you try to recollect where you had been and then you find that key. So some of the memory improvement tips I would advise you is, people think that the mind is very limited. There's a very limited space. You cannot expand it. But now let's do a simple exercise. Take one deep breath. Take another deep breath and exhale it through your mouth. Now take one more deep breath. And when you exhale, exhale it as if you are relaxing the whole body, and you visualize this breath going from top of your head to the toes. Completely relaxed. Now see, how do you feel your state of mind is? Do you feel that you have created a little more space in your mind? Yes, my friends, this is the truth which we don't understand. As we take a breath, a lot of space is created in our minds. Why this happens? Because the food for the brain is oxygen. The more you give oxygen, the greater is the space created. Therefore, people give stress on breathing exercises or deep breathing exercises. You can count 1, 2, 3, hold the breath for 4 and again release it counting 4. So you can do 3, 4, 4, or some people also tend to do 3, 12 and 6. That is, hold the breath for 12 counts and then release it for 6 counts. These types of exercises are called aerobic exercises, which are very important because it increases the space in the mind and you have a clarity coming to you. So the first tip is to breathe deeply. Secondly, never have stress in your mind. Most of the time, our mind is either thinking of the past or it is anxious to know about our future plan. We are not living in the present. So the second important tip is always try to be in the present moment. Don't overthink. Second thing, don't leave your mind idle. I advise every student that whenever you are disturbed or whenever you are at the age of 20, there is lot of clutter going on because you see lot of information. You see WhatsApp, you see Facebook, you see a movie. So there are a lot of things going on in the mind. So there is an information obesity. So I advise you to have patience and relax your mind. There should not be too much of clutter. So you can do is have a good sleep of 8 hours. That is very important. And not to keep your brain idle. What I was saying is, don't don't think, don't build castles in your head thinking about this. So you can do productive work, you can create a painting, you can listen to beautiful music, classical music, soothing music. So this kind of activities, trying to create a recipe or trying to clear your house, removing the clutter of your house. So you can also play some brain games like word power, Sudoku, Scramble. So these are the games which will help in indulging in intellectual activity of the brain. Then the next is you can do some cardio exercises. If you're not able to go in the gym, you can do jumping at one place or doing jumping jacks at one place. So these are simple exercises which you can do to relax your mind. Second thing which is very important is your diet. Now, if I tell you to eat an apple or eat some fruits, how do you feel? You feel there is a refreshing feeling and you don't feel hungry for a couple of hours, say 5-6 hours. So mind remains fresh by eating fruits and vegetables. But the same is not when you eat a roti, paratha or a spicy food. It gives a lethargic feeling to the body because it gets digested easily and it creates a lot of enzymes which make you sleepy. So it is better to have a lighter meal having fruits and vegetables. Then you can do little bit of meditation also, which will help you to improve your stress level. Then some of the other activities which I would advise you is writing a diary or a journal. This is very important and it helps a lot to bring clarity, because it will help you a step way forward, that where I was yesterday and where I am today. If a particular thought is disturbing you, write in your journal, today this thought is very disturbing. Next day you can write, I found a solution for that disturbing thought. You can also add some vitamins like B, vitamin C to your diet, which will also enhance your brain health. So these were some of the memory improvement tips which I would like to share with you. So thank you viewers. I hope you find this value very useful. Thank you from a life coach, public speaker and author of the book 10x Brain Power. Myself Anjana Baliga. Thank you very much.